My Nigeria people don't bring no bonga Bishop news story. My name Nandehi. Make a sharply yarn on a story we say it just happened. Fear don't come they catch Ezagu people there for inside Enugu State after where they find out one native doctor we say they use people they do money ritual and also they bury people alive or even bury some pregnant women them for inside one safety tank and for inside Enugu State now this begin take happen but we still they touchlight the matter to know the native doctor name will commit all this crime.
This one a man.
This The Lagos State Domestic and Sexual Violence Agency don't come out to talk say that they are aware of the video where Speedality come out to come the yarn saying for snack because of 15-year-old girl, but they can't come out to come the talk. Say they don't really know where this thing take happen. Say but if anybody get the information, say me the sharply take call 080 00 333 333. But later, Speedality don't come out and they talk. Come apologize first of all. They give everybody where the video take make verse. Say na content in just they do. Say one just do that to his and take promote in music and also to keep himself for the eye of everybody.
I'm 15 years old. So when I drop on that type of music, we need forgotten content to push it. That's what I was doing. So don't give it more life than it's supposed to have. Okay? If any of you is offended, alright then. Apologies.
They don't rescue some people them after one building 4 collapse for inside Lagos State and at the building they under construction. About 5 people there, 9 they rescue take come out for under the building. But as at when we take the hear this story, we never really know how many other people them. We say they don't rescue, they come on for inside the building.
Because of the ledge. Because of the ledge. Okay.
Senator Ojuzo Carlo don't come wear one cloth. We say they right from top the cloth to Tinubu for president in 2027 as a con intervene. And when you come out to come they talk, we say not good though. For people to they go abroad, they abuse Nigeria. Say because you not good at all. Come they talk. Say Nigeria now our own, and he not want to make Nigeria break at all. Say because Mr. Tinubu will be President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Say not being own Nigeria and he not own this country at all. And after 8 years, he go jelly. They go back to Lagos State.
And see people cursing Nigeria abroad, talking about Nigeria abroad, saying bad things about their own country. It is not good. Whether you are in opposition or you are a ruling party, it's not good to curse your president or curse the country. The country, Tinubu is not the owner of this country. The highest he will stay is 8 years. After 8 years, we take back our country.
The Nigerian actor and content creator wey name be Mama Uka don't come they provoke, come they warn, say some men that they enter in DM they toast them. As he come they warn all of them, say him not be gay, say anybody will go try him again to come in DM, come they tell him anything rubbish or they come they toast him, saying go show the whole world the chart.
Majority of my colleagues and others will no one respect themselves. If you come to my DM again as my fellow man to ask me out, I no send your status, I no send your level, I go screenshot and post.
This suspected kidnapper don't come confess, saying the get plan to rush, they travel, they go abroad after we say collecting own share or the ransom money from the people, their family, where we say they kidnap. And he come out con the yarn this talk after we call about police, don't catch him. And the name na Musa Shaibu, 25 years old, in a Jegule area of Lagos State. Now they arrest him with 4 other of his gang members there. Ren Oil Limited don't come give 5 million naira and also scholarship to university level to 16-year-old boy wey name be Chinedu Nwale. Say because of the Ogbonge Ren Oil filling station project we say do like architectural work when him build with hand. As a call appreciate him, come give him also scholarship.
Ren Oil caught my attention and I went through it and it's like, what's going on here? The design. Ren Oil today will give you the sum of 5 million naira. From today, Ren Oil will take over your education.
The information wey come dey reach us now say the Inspector General of Ikoloba Police wey be Kayode Egbetoku saying they face serious health issue and a kidney problem. Now in the talk say in the face come dey talk saying be don do kidney transplant before. During wey be saying be Chief Superintendent of Ikoloba Police and since then say na one kidney na in don dey use. As some Nigerians they don call dey pray for am say make him get well soon. Former governor of Kaduna State wey name be Rufai don come dey talk say e not dey possible at all for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to win the next election, say because nobody go vote for him. As he continue to talk, say not dey possible at all. So even you say the opposition party they face katakata now, say not fit dey possible make President Bola Ahmed Tinubu they win the next election.
Anybody that thinks that it is possible for President Bola Tinubu to get re-elected is living in another country, not Nigeria. It is impossible for Bola Tinubu to get re-elected. I don't see a pathway for him, no matter how disorganized the opposition is.
President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don come dey find approval of loan from Senate then so they go help and take approve the loan when you want collect, and the loan na $2.5 billion, 2.1 billion euro and 15 billion yen. And he come out to come dey talk say na to improve in government so Nigerian people dem go fit enjoy the economy.
Federal government 2025 to 2026 external borrowing rolling plan and of $21.5 billion and 15 billion and grant of 65 million euros.
One lady don come show this video of one boy wey be say him pretending to be girl come go find work and a house help work na so they come carry and take put for inside house thinking say na girl him be, and na for 3 weeks wey him don dey work for them before they come notice say na man him be, and him pretend say him name na Wumi. Meanwhile wey they come question and come ask am, he say him name na Afiz.
You be boy, you come pretend say you be girl. Come my house more than 3 weeks. How old are you? What's your real name? Because I don't say your name no be Wumi. What's your real name? Afiz! Jesus Christ.
The president of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, don come land for inside Lagos State to celebrate Salah as plenty convoy cars the wey say they see from top the street of Lagos State come dey run past. One Nigerian man wey name be Adeni Adekola Koka, they don't declare am missing after we say they see empty car. Don't we be say he won't go in fine wey dey for Orita Aroromi community along that Sokoto road for Atan Ota area of Ogun State. And on May 25th, 2025, now be the last time we say they hear from am. As they come sharply talk. So anybody we say get any information about them, make the sharply take off 070-623-875-65. Now Bishop News Club, my name is Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.